Hi everyone, I'm Christine Belling, jewelry expert here at BriteCo. If you're wearing a diamond engagement ring every day, here's the truth. You're probably not cleaning it enough. Today, I'll break down the exact schedule you should follow to keep your ring brilliant and the mistakes you could actually damage it. Let's start with professional cleanings. You should visit your local jeweler every 6 months for a deep clean and inspection. Why? Dirt and lotions can hide behind loose stones or worn prongs. A jeweler has the tools and the trained eye to catch problems before they become disasters. In fact, many warranties actually require these biannual cleanings to stay valid, even if you have jewelry insurance. So think of it as twice a year checkup for your ring's health. Now, what about at home? There are 2 routines you should follow if you wear your ring daily. For a weekly light cleaning, give your ring a quick rinse in warm soapy water, and then polish it with a lint-free cloth. For a monthly thorough cleaning, let the ring soak for about 30 minutes in that same mild dish soap solution. Afterwards, gently scrub it with a soft toothbrush, rinse again, and buff it dry. And no, washing your hands doesn't count. Hand soap, especially scented varieties, can leave residue that dulls your diamond. Here's where a lot of people go wrong. Skip the harsh chemical ultrasonic cleansers. And yes, all those TikTok hacks, ketchup, toothpaste, baking soda, and even paper towels can scratch or weaken your setting. The best method is still the simplest. Warm water, gentle soap, soft tools only. Between cleanings, you can extend that sparkle with a few simple habits. Always put your ring on last when getting ready, so it avoids lotions, perfumes, hair products. Take it off before swimming, cleaning, or working out, and never wear it in the shower. When you're not wearing your ring, store it safely in a lined jewelry box or a pouch. These little steps reduce buildup and keep your diamond looking stunning all day. The answer is simply give it light cleanings every week, a more thorough cleaning every month, and take it to the jeweler every 6 months. That's all it takes to keep your ring as brilliant as the day you said yes. And since your ring is one of the most important investments, don't forget protection. BriteCo Jewelry Insurance covers loss, theft, damage, and even mysterious disappearance. And you can get a quote in just 60 seconds. Click the link below for your free quote. And if this is helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more jewelry care tips.